my name is Ivan Manuel from ATS Lab Midwest, and today we're going to discuss how simple and easy it is to start using virtual reality technology, even if you've never picked up a headset before. Virtual reality is more than just a cool video game. We're seeing this technology being used in a wide range of industries: entertainment, healthcare, urban design and architecture, as well as education and training. Being able to learn in a safe, controlled virtual environment is typically going to raise engagement levels because it's very interactive. It's going to improve retention levels due to the fact that there's less distractions when you have the VR headset on, and it's going to provide you with instant feedback that you can use at any time to brush up on your skills. Each simulation is broken down into tutorials and scenarios. The tutorials are going to be the basis of learning your basic hand controls on the VR headset, how to inspect and equip yourself with proper PPE, which is your protective equipment. And finally, it's going to guide you step by step through the process, and it's going to provide a platform where you can learn, practice, and master each of these essential topics. The best part is it's so simple and easy to use. Regardless of your experience level with virtual reality, you'll be able to pick up this tool and within minutes be able to walk through these tutorials. Here's an example.
Inspect and select a 5 gas meter and radio from the locker and attach it to your belt. Then select an air blower. Pick it up and carry it in your hand. Once you are ready, return to the screen and select Start to begin your training. Approach the confined space. Turn on the light switch and read the permit by looking at it to proceed. Read the permit by looking at it to proceed. Walk over to confined space entrance and take your gas meter and hold it in your hand. Push the calibrate button with the other hand. Take the sensor of the gas meter and place it close to the confined space entrance to measure its atmosphere. When you're confident you've seen enough, you can place gas meter back to belt. Is it safe? Please select your answer below. On the screen, walk over to confined space entrance and take your gas meter and hold it in your hand. Push the calibrate button on the gas. Lower the sensor from the meter by letting it go and then grabbing the cable. Squeeze the index finger when touching the cable and move your hand down to lower it. When you're confident you've seen enough, you can place gas meter back to belt. Is it safe? Please select your answer below. Take the air blower and place it on the designated position next to confined space. To start the air blower, press the Air In button. This will start ventilating this. Measure the atmosphere in the confined space as the Look at the gas meter display. Is it safe to enter the space? Put the radio from your belt and press hold watch on the radio to have a coworker come and monitor the gas. While your coworker is monitoring the gas levels, it's safe to go into the confined space. Go to the ladder and grab it with both hands. Good job! You're ready to move on.
Hope you enjoyed that demo. It's one of my favorites. And you can see once a learner completes the tutorial module, they're going to be given a grade. And this is their reference to understanding how accurately they advance through that module. And once they've demonstrated they have an understanding of the process and they're comfortable, going through that tutorial. Then they would advance to the scenario version of that module where they can validate their understanding of the technique. This is just one example of how virtual reality is being used to maximize industrial safety training. If you have any questions or interested in seeing a few more examples, feel free to reach out to me or my team at ATS Lab Midwest. Thank you.